Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to delete Google search history on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. So first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to your Google web browser. And then next is you have to tap on these three dots that you can see at the top right corner. Click this one. Once you tap this, then what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down and look for history. Tap on history, and you should see here all your recent search. And in order for you to simply delete Google search history is you just have to click that one. Now you can set the time range. Okay, so you can select from any of the option below. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to tap last 15 minutes. You can also include browsing history. You can clear cache and other options right here. So you can tap, you can select or deselect, everything is up to you. Now tap on delete data and it will suggest you other sites to delete. Tap on delete and as you can see, it's now deleting browsing data. And basically that's it. You just have to wait and you can delete more if you want to tap 1 week or let's just say for all time. Then you can just go to date range and tap on all time. Everything is up to you. But that's how you easily delete Google search history on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.